Hi everyone, this is David from the Post team at In-House Solutions, and I'm here to show you how to program pinch turning with our IKE Lathe posts. So let's get into it. So we just need to program a rough or finished toolpath. We have to make sure there's multiple passes so that the post can put it between each stream. So it's a single operation. I'm just selecting a chain here. And I've got the tool already selected. In the mist values, it needs to be activated, and you put the tool that you actually want to be used in the other stream. So I'll put tool 2 for stream 2. I'm using tool 1 for the first stream. And as you can see, it's got all those passes, so each of those passes will be alternately put into each stream of code. I'm going to show you what it looks like for the Mazak Integrex. So let's see what the code looks like. With the Integrex, it's going to have all the code in a single file, but you'll see at the top stream here, G109L1, wait code, wait code, wait code, those are each of the passes. And the other passes are in the second stream here, and they're all broken up into each one. That's it. Easy.